Replacing locks and keys with electronic access control is a great way to ensure your customers and their visitors can move around their premises without having to actually touch a door. The government guidelines reference moving away from touch-based security devices to help minimise the spread of germs. When talking about contactless access control, we are specifically referencing the avoidance of unhygienic common touchpoints, such as doors and keypads. We are looking at options to utilise long-range readers or a hands-free interface to open entry points from a distance, to avoid breaching social distancing guidelines in areas such as blind spots. Where possible, using standard proximity readers, which require no physical connection between readers and tokens. Also, combining with an infrared exit button or a passive infrared detector in combination with a door opener or closer eliminates any need to touch a door handle and provides true touchless entry and exit. To see how we can achieve contactless access control, let's use the example of a call centre environment. Here we have a single entry-exit point for staff, all using a keypad for entry to the building. With this level of traffic all touching the keypad and door, it represents a significant risk of infection. The use of a Paxton proximity reader and an automated door opener and closer removes the need for anyone to touch the door or reader. The same could be applied to internal doors. If the door is not set up to be read in and read out, a simple low-cost, no-touch IR exit button can be installed. The opportunity to add access control to an additional entry-exit point and reduce traffic per access point will further reduce the risk of transferring infection to others. The option of having the ability to open internal doors or external overhead doors for delivery from a safe distance with a long-range reader means that where visibility is restricted, early identification of the presence of other people can be mitigated. A range of Paxton proximity readers are available for all environments, providing convenient contactless access control for use internally and externally. Colour-coded wiring to the Net2 control unit allows for a straightforward installation. Where there is the requirement to open doors from a safe distance, a hands-free interface can be installed to provide long range from a standard proximity reader when used in conjunction with Paxton's hands-free tokens. For applications that require a greater range still, such as parking areas or delivery entrances, long-range readers are available, providing greater read range up to 5 meters with hands-free tokens. Standard push-to-exit buttons can be an obvious point of contamination. Replacing these with an infrared exit button or a PIR detector can provide touchless egress. These devices will be connected to the Net2 control unit using the dedicated exit input. Adding an automatic door opener in combination with these other measures will provide a truly contactless solution. This device can be connected to the Net2 Plus's Relay 2 voltage-free contacts. The settings of the control unit need to be configured in the Net2 software to allow Relay 1 and 2 to be operated together.